Run a finger along your arm. Feels solid, right? Like a single smooth surface. It isn't. Last time we met your skin as a living organ, layered and busy. Today we go to its very top, the part you actually touch, and find something astonishing. Because the outside of you isn't really a surface at all. It's a wall. Picture a brick wall. Flat bricks, stacked and overlapping, held together by mortar in between. That's the top layer of your skin, almost exactly. Scientists even call it the brick and mortar model. The bricks are skin cells. The mortar is a blend of fats and oils, and together they do one quiet, heroic job. They keep you alive. Here's the strange part. The bricks are dead. Deep down, new skin cells are born plump and round and full of water, but they don't stay there. They get pushed up slowly toward the surface, and as they rise, they change. They flatten, they harden, they dry out and fill with a tough protein called keratin, the same kind of protein in your nails. By the time they reach the top, they're no longer soft little cells. They're flat, dead tiles. That layer of dead, flattened cells has a name, the stratum corneum. Don't worry about the words. Just remember the picture. Bricks at the top of a wall, but bricks alone don't make a wall. A wall stacked dry would leak through every crack. So your skin fills the gaps. Between the bricks sits the mortar, layers of oily molecules called lipids, ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids. Think of them as a waterproof glue, sealing every seam. And that seal is everything. Because this wall has two jobs and they point in opposite directions. Job one, keep water in. You are mostly water. Without a seal, that water would simply evaporate out of you all day, every day. The wall holds it in. It's the reason you don't dry out like a leaf in the sun. Job two, keep the world out. Bacteria, pollution, allergens, harsh chemicals. They're pressing against you constantly. The wall turns most of them away before they ever get in. It is a shield and a seal in one, and it's thinner than a sheet of paper. When the wall is whole, you don't think about it at all. Skin feels comfortable, calm, just fine. That quiet is the sound of a barrier doing its job, but walls can break. Overwashing, harsh scrubbing, too much strong product, cold wind, dry air, even stress. Any of it can strip away the mortar and loosen the bricks, and the moment the wall cracks, everything changes. Now water leaks out through the gaps, skin goes tight, rough, flaky. That dry, papery feeling, that's water escaping through a wall that can't hold it anymore, and the world leaks in. Things that normally bounced right off now slip through the cracks and reach the living skin below, so everything stings. Products you've used for years suddenly burn. Your skin flushes, reacts, complains. Dry, sensitive, stinging, reactive skin. So often it isn't a mystery. It's a broken wall. And here's the wow. Almost every skincare problem and almost every skincare solution comes back to this one wall. Hydration, sensitivity, aging, irritation, glow, they all start here. If you understand the barrier, you understand the single most important idea in all of skincare. Everything else is detail. The good news? Your wall is alive. And it wants to rebuild. Give it back its mortar, stop tearing at it, and it repairs itself, quietly, the way it always has. So, the next time your skin feels good, soft, settled, unbothered, remember what that calm really is. It's a wall, only paper thin, standing between everything you are and everything you're not. Holding your water in, keeping the world out. Quietly, faithfully, keeping you alive.